Stuck in a chicken rut? Tired of the same boring flavors week after week? Here's an incredibly simple fix that adds explosive, savory, and aromatic flavors using ingredients you probably already have at home. The solution is ginger and scallion oil. Stick with me and I'll show you how to make this simple infusion that transforms your chicken from bland to brilliant. Here is what we need. Chicken breast, Choy Sum. If you do not have Choy Sum, you can use Bok Choy or any green leafy vegetables. Cherry tomatoes. For the poaching liquid, we will need green onions, ginger, Chinese cooking wine, salt. And for the ginger and scallion oil, any type of neutral oil like corn oil, sunflower, or vegetable oil. Green onions, ginger. For this recipe, it's better to buy ginger that are bigger and thicker, as this will make it a lot easier to grate. Salt or chicken powder. White pepper, sesame oil. Do note that green onions, spring onions, and scallions generally refer to the same thing, which is this. Smash the white parts of the green onions to help it release its flavor. Slice up some ginger. There is no need to remove the skin, but do give them a good wash. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. To poach the chicken, put the chicken breast into the pot. Put in the green onions, ginger, salt, Chinese cooking wine. Fill the pot with water till it covers about 4 to 5 inches above the chicken breast. Turn on the heat and bring all this to a boil. When it comes to a boil, turn the chicken breast over. Then, turn off the heat. Cover and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. My chicken breast is about 200 grams each. They are relatively small. If you have bigger chicken breasts, poach them for a longer time. Now that the chicken is sitting quietly in the corner, we have a lot of time to prepare the sauce. Peel the ginger with a teaspoon. I don't usually peel my ginger, but this is one of the few occasions that I do because I do not want my ginger and scallion oil to turn brown in color. Grate the ginger into a bowl. When you get to the very last bit, stop and pick up another ginger. Remember, you can always buy more ginger, but you cannot buy more fingers. Next, thinly slice up the green onions, both the white and the green parts. The proportion of green onions to ginger isn't really that important for this recipe. You can adjust the proportions according to your taste. It will be so good if I can use the grater to grate the green onions as well. I've tried, it doesn't work. To cook the ginger and scallion oil, heat up some oil in a pan. Add the ginger into the oil. There's no need to wait for the oil to get hot. When the oil is bubbling, something like this, count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then, add in the thinly sliced green onions. Count to 10 again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
When you've reached 10, turn off the heat. I prefer this technique of cooking over the method where you heat up the oil till it's smoking hot. Then, pour the oil over the ginger and scallions. It splatters all over and even boils over if your bowl is too small. There is a lot less cleanup when you put the ginger into the oil, then heat up the oil. Season your ginger and scallion oil with salt. You can use chicken powder instead if you want some added flavor. Pepper, sesame oil. Do not skip the sesame oil, as this is the secret ingredient that makes a huge difference in the sauce. But don't use too much of it, as sesame oil tends to overpower all other flavors. It's been 20 minutes. Remove the chicken onto a plate. Let's check for doneness. Look into the center of the chicken. If it's white and no longer pink, it is cooked. Set the chicken aside and let it cool down. Meanwhile, we'll cook the vegetables. Remove the scallions and the ginger from the water. They have done their job. Bring the water back to a boil. Then put in the vegetables and boil them till they're tender. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Pick up 2 forks and we'll shred the chicken with them. When you have shredded the chicken, mix the cherry tomatoes into the chicken. To serve, arrange the green vegetables at the bottom of the plate. Pile on the shredded chicken and cherry tomatoes in the center. Then, pour the ginger and scallion oil over the chicken. Let's also have a couple of rabbits nibbling on the greens. And there you have it, the magic of homemade ginger and scallion oil. This is such a game changer for adding instant, amazing flavors. Perfect for weeknights when you need that quick upgrade for chicken, noodles, and even eggs. Let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. If you enjoy quick and easy recipes, check out my other videos here. And I'll see you in the next one.